Bia and Miles here.
Welcome to the World Travel Hackers series.
What we're doing today is we are going to be going to a couple places today, but we cannot use our phones at all. We have to set them on airplane mode. Probably still gonna bring one just because phones are nice to have.
Yeah, we're gonna set our phones on airplane mode and we're gonna try to talk with people so we can get to the places we wanna go. So first stop, Monkey Forest. I think it's in that direction, but I'm not sure. I didn't check, I promise.
Yeah, we didn't check at all. We just know that it's nearby, so we're just gonna start asking people on the street. Monkey, where? This way, where?
Oh, monkey. Oh my god. Do you know where the Monkey Forest is?
Monkey Forest?
Where's the Monkey Forest? Monkey Forest.
This way?
Yeah.
To the left, yeah. And then left goes this way.
I don't believe them.
I trust them.
The ultimate challenge to cross the street.
Thank you.
Come on. Ah! Hold on. Oh my god.
I want to try to give a monkey this giant leaf. What? What? We just went to the Monkey Forest. And that was very fun.
That was terrifying.
It was okay.
So we got here without using our phones. The next step is trying to find a temple. There are like many temples around here. No, before the temple we're gonna go get lunch.
Oh, we're gonna get lunch and then we're gonna go see a temple. And then goes that.
This is I'm gonna cry.
We wanted to visit a temple.
Temple.
Yeah.
You can go this way
Yeah.
and then turn right. Just keep going until you see the junctions. Then keep going on the right side.
Okay. I know it. Free shuttle too.
Neka Art Gallery.
It's like a temple. It says art gallery.
Holy shit. Wow. Cool.
Yeah, is it okay if we record you? Thank you so much.
So after we checked out the temple /
Art museum.
we came home and we relaxed for a bit because we were very tired after the monkeys. And now we're gonna go to Balinese dancing party or something like that.
Katu is like a guy who takes care of this villa. It's like really, really nice and green. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very pretty, and he invited us to this party and he's gonna drive us there one by one because he has a scooter. In total, it was 1 hour and 10 minutes of walking, but we had a full day of good, cheap fun.
We were dubious of some of the directions that some of the locals gave us, but all were happy to help, and it was a great experience, and relying on your own intuition and the helpfulness of strangers is much more fun than beelining using the maps.
A great way to spend a day in Ubud. And we thank Kiwi.com for the challenge, and it's something that anyone that considers themselves an adventurer should try at some point. Okay.
Anyway, we'll see you in the next vlog, and stay tuned for all the World Travel Hackers escapades. In the meantime, peace and love. Bye.